Hello friends, welcome to Orga Farms. Now today I am going to show you how to sow green sorrel, or we also call it as ambat chuka. Now this is called this is a rare vegetable. Normally you do not get this in the market, but it is a loved vegetable by a lot of people. So let's see how do we plant green sorrel. It's a lovely vegetable. A lot of people love the vegetable, and for this again I'm telling you what is the soil mixture. The soil mix, this is a black soil. You need to add 50% of compost, vermicompost or organic compost, and 1% of wood ash. Now the wood ash again keeps your algae and the fungus away. Now let's see how now this is the box. You need to flatten the soil, and we will be planting or sowing the seeds of green sorrel into this. Now first of all I'll show you how are the seeds of green sorrel. The seeds of green sorrel are very rare to get, and these are the seeds of green sorrel. It is basically a flower, and you have seeds inside it. So this is the seed of green sorrel, and you need to plant this in the soil. There is a specific way. Normally spinach and green sorrel is planted or sowed in the same type or the same variety or the same methodology. So this is the soil, and we are going to water the soil. Now again, for watering this soil, you have to ensure that it is completely moist till the end. So keep on watering the soil till the time it stops absorbing the water. So that's the right way of making your soil moist. Okay, so now I'll show you how do we now see the entire soil is moist. Now we are going to sow the seeds. Now for sowing the seeds you need to make small holes in the soil, at least 1 to 2 inches apart. Since there's a shadow, I don't know whether you're able to see that or no, but there's small holes which we have created by hand in the soil. Now she's taking the seeds of the green sorrel. Two to three seeds she has taken in each hole. जास्त दाट नका लावू आजी. जास्त होईल मग ते. We are talking in Marathi. खड्डा मोठा केला तर चालतंय ना, वरच्या खड्ड्यामध्ये राहिले बघा. राहू दे, माती टाकायची लय पण नका काढू. लय गाडल्यावर नाही येते, त्याला वरची वर ते लगेच येतं. Now she is just putting 2 to 3 seeds or rather flowers in the soil, and this normally takes 4 to 5 days for germination. 4 ते 5 दिवसामध्ये येते ना, पालवी येते ना. 4 दिवसात लगेच उगवते. 4-5 दिवसात येते ना, उगवून येते ना लगेच. इथं राहिले बघा.
बस कर
अजून टाक
लई दाट होईल हे लई जुमडा दे
हां ना
बाजार लई दाट होणार
हां okay so she has planted green sorrel she sowed the seeds now yeah now we have to cover these seeds with a fine layer of soil. Now this soil is again the same soil except the wood ash. This is finely strained soil and we're just going to cover this seeds with the soil. This is for 50% compost and 50% soil and he'll cover it. Now, green sorrel is a kind of a vegetable which is a delicacy for lot of people, and it is used with a combination of other vegetables also. Now, green sorrel is a high amount of iron content.
लई माती नको लई नको टाकू तू टाक लई दाट नको टाकू तर लई माती नाही वर लागत बस दिला
हां टाक. So he's just covering the seeds with the soil.
बस थोडी अगदी थोडी थोडी टाकायची बस लई नको डिगायला बस 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 उघडं राहील तरी चालते निघते
प्लेन कर उसको.
बस बस दाबू बी नको टाक पाण्यात
Now for this green sorrel you do not have to have a very thick layer of top layer, thick layer of soil on the seeds, because it doesn't need it actually. It just needs a little bit of soil. It by default it grows. Even there are a lot of farmers who just throw the seeds on the farm and then it grows on its own. Bas find. Now we'll just water this a bit. Just make the soil moist, that's it, nothing else. This particular crop will grow on its own. So if you have, as I told you earlier, if you have any queries or any doubts, or if you want to sell this particular if you want us to sell if you want us to send this box at your place after the crop is grown, and then you want to start off your own organic business, vegetables business, then you can start off. It is a very good thing that you are giving healthy food to your friends and family and colleagues in your society. And after the crop is fully grown, we'll send it to your premises by order. So I have given the contact details in the description. Thank you so much for watching. You have a wonderful day. Bye.